it must be incredibly important for you to be able to have the crack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of it is about the crack, and Tommy will tell you it was probably more about the crack for Tommy than the actual playing on the field and being in the gym. And you know, part of what I'm launching my app, it's I'm hoping to get people like Tommy, novices and guys who've never really been in the gym for strength training, just to get guys like him involved and introduce them to actual proper training. So
I did enjoy the celebrations. The problem is that Peter, who's a fella who never actually touched the alcohol, so while I was there enjoying myself, thinking I was having the best time of life, he'd video it all, and then the next morning he's the one down in the breakfast.
You weren't the one
who's showing everybody the look at your man.
No.
I never videoed, right? But I have it all locked in here, and I tell you, my strength came from carrying Tommy out of nightclubs and bars at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning. That's where the real strength came from.
That was it.
That was it. That's
Do you know what? I believe that. I would totally and utterly believe that was the case.